Hi Patty, how you doing? I've got your work lined up here, your poverty and the environment and your comprehensives. Okay, so I just want to take a look at the first page here. Let's take a look at your trade show booth. So here's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a trade show booth, but I don't know. There's no. All right, let me ask you a question. When I walk up to this trade show booth in the trade show, it should be very obvious what the trade show booth is about when you're walking up to it. You shouldn't have to ask anybody, so what's this show? Or you shouldn't have to get all the way up to the front and say poverty and the environment. Um, you've got most typically companies in trade show will design some sort of signage other than this little portable thing, something, a banner or something to draw attention to their booth and give the cursory information that's needed for the viewer to understand what they're getting themselves into as they walk into the booth. You've got your trade show booth, but you've got, let me see your materials list. What is the floor made of? You haven't told us. What is the wood made of? Let me just paraphrase like this. Okay, you haven't given any information at all with your materials. Okay, because you're saying wooden signs, frame painted black. Well, where did the wood come from? What kind of wood is it, and how was it assembled? The frame painted black. What kind of paint is used? The sign. How is it printed? This made of reclaimed wood. That doesn't mean anything. Reclaimed wood. It's a buzzword. It's like saying recyclable. It just doesn't mean anything. Then you have recycled paper. Again, another buzzword. Where did the paper come from? What kind of paper is it? Is it paperboard? Is it cardboard? Is it a vinyl base? What is it? It can't just be recycled paper. Do you see what I'm saying? Then you have TV stands made of recycled wood. Again. Okay, and then you have wooden tables and chairs made from recycled wood. Again, you're just not giving any information. So we really let's get that tightened up in terms of the materials list. Also, make sure you get some kind of sign in here to let the viewer know what they're getting themselves into. This piece is really confusing to me. It doesn't fit visually at all with the trade show booth. I mean, you're using colors that aren't even in the booth. This big circle, I don't know what it is, and I don't know the relevance it has to the project. The project doesn't have any kind of headline on it whatsoever, so you're not saying, and nowhere does it say, this is some sort of a comparison or correlation between poverty and the environment. You just go into your facts, okay? This information piece is going to get thrown away. You haven't given us a materials list on it, so it doesn't matter if it's 100% recyclable, 100% sustainable. You've given the viewer no reason to want to hang on to it. So a flyer like this is not going to grade well on the final. Your images have been stretched to fit in those areas. You can clearly see that they've been manipulated. So I'd like to see some work on that. The giveaway product doesn't make any sense at all because it doesn't have anything to do with what you're talking about. Again, there's no logo, there's no trade show, there's no name for the company. There's just nothing going on here. No logo, no name here, no identifier, no brand recognition. And likewise here, there's just nothing on the bag. Would you spend your own money to give away something? Or would you spend your company's money to give away something that's not promoting your company? No, it's just, you can do goodwill and you can give good things away, but there's got to be something in it for you, and you wouldn't just spend your money buying a plaid bag and giving it away. Finally, I haven't been able to locate or beg the material. I'm not real sure what this is, but I need to know the materials. You're talking about cotton T-shirts to make what looks like a very rigid, kind of like one of those vinyl bags. This isn't a mock-up. It's not a comp. Let me just go over to week 4 and we can see that it says right here that you're supposed to begin to build your 3D giveaway. So really look at this because you have to build it. You have to give us a mock-up, actual build this thing and take some images of it. Okay, if you have any questions, give me a holler. Thanks.